These croutons are so tasty and they go fantastic in Caesar salad. Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making tender, crispy croutons. So hop on board and let's get cooking. We start with 4 to 6 pieces of stale whole wheat bread that we have torn or cut into bite-sized pieces. Then in a small bowl, we add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1.5 teaspoons of fresh herbs. It could be minced basil, oregano, or in this case, we're using chives. 1/4 teaspoon each of garlic powder, dried minced onion, and spike seasoning. Stir to combine. Pour the bread into a bowl, drizzle our mixture over it. Using our handy dandy tongs, we toss the bread in the oil mixture till it's well coated. Spread the coated bread in a single layer onto a baking dish. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes. The trick is you want it to be crispy but still tender. After 10 minutes in the oven, we have beautiful, tender, crispy croutons. What I love about these croutons is they're crispy, but they're also tender. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Or head over to our website, veggieoutlaws.com, where we have new recipes coming out every week. And you can also pick up a copy of our cookbook, Veggie Outlaws Most Wanted Vegan Recipes.